My key motivation is to produce something that could be useful, that could make the world a better place. And in line with that, my research is quite context-specific, driven to applicability, and not so much driven by theorizing for the sake of theorizing. My name is Vilis Brukas, and I am professor in forest planning. My research deals with various topics in forest policy and planning. This is a very wide and exciting field. There are so many interesting questions to look at. I grew up in Lithuania, which was part of the Soviet Union back then. And when I was a forestry student in very exciting times, just after the collapse of communism, and the societies in Lithuania, but also in many other places in Europe, where we transition from planet to market economy. Currently, I'm involved in a European project where, together with colleagues from 15 other EU countries, we are looking at the impacts of the new EU strategy on the forest policies of member states. Or, taking another example, right now we are setting up a project where we will investigate possibilities how to better include forest owner perspective and societal perspective in forest management plans. The debate on forest utilization and protection is intensifying in Sweden as in many other European countries. This is a very complex field spanning over multiple levels, from a single forest owner to various local stakeholders to national forest policy makers to global policy regimes. So I hope that my research can help better understanding this complexity and in turn help the decision makers to make better decisions. And also I believe it is very important to convey the forest policy perspective and wider societal context to the students, the future forestry professionals.